The culinary culture of northern Ghana, particularly of the Dagomba people in Tamale, offers a rich array of unique, nutritious and appetizing local dishes. Two standout staples are Gablee and Tubaani, both made from bambara beans, a local legume that is cornerstone of the Dagomba cuisine due to its availability and high nutritional content. Tubaani is a moist and flavorful steamed dish made by soaking bambara beans overnight and grinding them into a fine paste. The paste is seasoned with a little salt, then wrapped into leaves, traditionally salam leaves, and steamed. The result is a fine cake-like dish that is typically served with hot pepper sauce and often accompanied by fish. Gablee, on the other hand, follows a slightly different process. The bambara beans are again soaked and ground into a paste, but this paste is then mixed with water and left to ferment overnight. The fermented paste is formed into balls, sprinkled with salt, and then steamed. The fermentation process gives Gablee a distinctive tangy flavor. It's typically served with bungu or kokozum. These dishes serve more than just nutritional value. They are an integral part of the Dagomba cultural heritage. Their preparation techniques have been handed down through generations, preserving the traditional culinary methods of the Dagomba people. The serving of Tubaani and Gablee is often accompanied by communal gatherings, fostering a sense of unity and sharing identity. This further illustrates the social importance of food in Dagomba culture, where a meal is not just substance, but a significant social event. Gablee and Tubaani, traditional dishes of the Dagomba people in Tamale, northern Ghana, are classic examples of how food can be a powerful symbol of cultural identity. Their preparation, deeply rooted in tradition, showcases the community's rich culinary heritage. Furthermore, their place in social gathering demonstrates the role of food in strengthening community ties. As such, Gablee and Tubaani stand as both delicious local dishes and important cultural touchstone for the Dagomba people of Tamale.